Greeting fellow modelers. Today we're going to look at an interesting kit. It is the de Havilland Mosquito Mk VI from the company MODELIK. So here I go to my trusted site OVERVIEW where you will see the kit. It is a 2009 kit. It costs approximately $13 US and it's about 10 A4 size paper. I built this kit before years ago and it's not a bad kit, pretty decent. So this I have shrunk to 1/72nd scale, original scale 133. So let's take a look at this, shall we? Again, like I explained in episode 2 of my new series, it's easier for me to do and to present to you, and once I can do this at 72nd scale, it should be easier for you to do at 133. So here is the overall view of it. You see the details. This brings back memories of building the fuselage, the wing, tail surface, the tail wheel detail, the structure for the fin, and you can see the same structure there, cockpit area. Now mind you, I have recolored this kit to be more accurate. That's the canopy template, the wheel cross section, tail wheel, and cockpit detail. You see the structured framework, instrument panels. At 133 scale, it was really detailed. I do not know how much detail I can get into a 1/72nd kit, but I'm sure going to try. We have the bomb, we have the rockets, and the cannons in the nose. So let's look at what I have recolored and printed on. The sheet I print on is approximately 150 gram sheet. I used an inkjet printer and then sealed with oil varnish. So it is protected, and no matter what happens, it won't run, it won't stain, it won't be messed up. The inboard wing panels, aileron, so that I can remove and put in. And here we have the fuselage. I tried to do the correct color swatches according to what the plastic scale model colors are. Instrument panels and a cockpit area. So the details will be very interesting to see how much I can get. I want to build it with the doors open. That's the fuselage area again. Please understand that this is not available for download, this is not available for distribution. This is a personal copy. And that is the engine nacelles, the landing gear door, that's a framework for the canopy, the rockets as we've seen before, and those are the formwork for the engine nacelles. It's pretty nice, and those are the spinner, here we see the stabilizer, and those are the root fillet and the prop blades. Those are the fins for the bombs and the landing wheel main hub. That's a landing gear struts, and that structure here I will simply double using another 150-gram sheet cardstock and double it, because at this scale it doesn't need to be very thick. And this is spare because inevitably I know I'm going to mess up, so I always print spares. Those are the landing gear detail. I think it's that's a Bombay area. The hinge for the Bombay doors. That's the underside which will hold the bombs. Those are the formwork that help to form the cockpit area. These are to form the cannon details inside. Substitute we will use would be toothpick. And this is a cardstock I'm talking about. It's clear, it's the same thickness as what was printed on the panels. And that's what I will use to double. It makes the job easier. So pretty much this is it. This I am going to do this fall. It's nice to have a twin engine in the stable at 1/72nd scale. That I'm just showing you, that's a cross section what you see there, so you realize it's part of the cockpit area. Yeah, this will be fun. So that's a basic review of the 1/72nd scale Modelik de Havilland Mosquito Mark VI. Thank you so much for watching this far. I hope you enjoyed this review of the 1/72nd series. New look, new introduction, and it's going to be one hell of an adventure. So until then, my friends, take care, be gentle to yourself, walk good, and above all, one love.